I'm the nigga. She tell me I'm the nigga. I'm the nigga. That's your nigga.
Nice and tall for me, honey. Yeah, I think it's funny how many times I tell people that they always hold their breath for a second. It's one of the worst parts right here, sweetheart. Gonna feel me touching on you. Give me one good deep breath in and let it on out.
Oh.
See, it wasn't that bad, was it?
No.
Good, that's what I like hearing.
I didn't even get a breath in.
I trick you with that one. I make you think you have time, but really you don't. It's more like wishful thinking.
Right.
1, 2, 3. Alright. Just gotta put the ball on, we're all done.
Whoa. I'm okay.
Alright, so we just gotta get that little bit of purple off you. Maybe I'll set it. Alright, honey, go ahead and set up for me again.
Oh,
like I told her, that little bit of purple will come off.
I cannot believe. We are grown. Don't tell us what to do.
At all, bitch. Look at this. We fat too, though, so you can't really see it.
Oh my life. Oh my god! These bugs. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and today I'm going to be doing something different. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm using my iPhone right now. And let me know if you guys like this quality better or my camera quality. Like, I feel like this quality is like good if I want like to do a like vlog or like a chill type of video or mukbang or something like that. I need to go back on my mukbang channel. I keep forgetting that channel, honestly. Like, cause every time I like eat or something, I'll be like too lazy to set up the area. Then I like to enjoy my food and like not talk, you know. But I don't know. But anyway, off topic. I don't know which what to look at, that or whatever. But anyway, as you can see, I have like the fall decor right here and this pumpkin right here and the candle right there. I'm so off topic, but anyway, it's like literally, what time is it? It's like almost like 1 in the morning right now. I'm like blah 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 right now, and I just filmed like this my like 3rd video I'm filming right now, and I'm just like so tired of and so hyper, and I'm just like I'm just like all over the place. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, so for today's video, I want to do my belly button experience video. Before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony and click the bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload a new video. So where should I begin? Well, once upon a time, I've always wanted to get my belly button pierced. Yeah, I always wanted to get my belly button pierced since I was like, whenever I found out about belly button piercings and it's like seeing other people have them, I'm like, oh my god, they're so cute. Especially when the belly button piercing is like blinged out. It's like, damn, I really need one. Me and my friend, Kayla, got them together, and yeah, that's like a good memory to have. Like, I'm so glad like me and her both went together, because like I was really like planning to do it by myself, but then I think I remember telling her, hey, we should both get ours done together. And yeah, if you don't know, you have to get your belly button piercing while you're 18, not while you're 18, but at the age of 18, or if you're younger, bring a parent, guardian, whatever. I believe that's some bull like to do. Like, it's just a piercing, it's just like a little needle going in you. But yeah, so that's why I wanted a belly button piercing, because I always wanted one. They're like really cute to me. And yeah, this is what my piercing looks like. It's super cute. The lady that did it, I'm so glad like she did it. I'm so glad it wasn't like a dude, because I feel like a dude really wouldn't know. That sounded really stereotypic. Maybe he would, like, I don't know, but I feel like a girl has like more of an understanding, like, okay, this is the woman's body, this will look good on her, and she's been through all types of bodies probably, so she knows what's best for us. But yeah, the piercing that I had got was a iridescent, and I really want like a diamond type look, but she ran out of that, so I was really annoying. But other than that, I really like this. It's like a iridescent, I can't talk, iridescent whatever piercing. But yeah, super cute on me. It matches me. And I noticed that my body is like changing. Like, I don't know, it's because I've barely been eating as much like I used to, or what. I'm like noticing that I'm having like a figure. Like, sometimes I can like look pretty like this, but I'm noticing that I'm like having a figure. So yeah, I'm noticing that. Like, I don't know, like I'm like so off topic. I am so sorry. She asked us what's like before we got our needle, before we got stabbed, okay, before we got stabbed with the needle, told us well, asked us which type of piercing we wanted, because there was like a basic thin one, but then she showed us like the pretty diamond ones, because they had like a yellow, purple, green, a regular looking diamond one, and an iridescent. Like, I don't know, she had all types that she showed us like for beginners, because if we just get like a pretty one, like first, like our piercing has to heal first before we get actual like a designer, not designer looking one, but more of like a prettier looking one. So this is like the basic pretty ones that our belly button has to get used to before we like change it. I'm so out of breath. I'm so sorry. So as you've seen in the video, my piercing didn't really hurt at all. It was just like a small pinch. It was like a, then I was like, oh, sorry, I had to burp. I'm like really gassy for some reason. I mean, the piercing was like literally like a 2 or 1 out of 10. Like, it really didn't hurt me. Like, I was just ready. I was like laying down there. I was just like, I'm just ready. Just put it in me. Forget the 3, 2, 1. Just do it. I also feel like it depends how your pain tolerance is. My pain tolerance is like a medium. I don't really have a high pain tolerance, because if a cat scratches me, I'm gonna freaking cry. I can't stand cat scratches. No, like, no. But a little needle, it didn't really hurt. But I also think because I'm used to needles, since I do take my insulin and I have to inject myself, and I've been doing that since like I was 11. And before you get your piercing, make sure you guys check out like how the piercing tattoo places, like, are they clean? Like, look on their website, read their Yelp reviews. I was sure doing that, because like, no, I want to make sure that the needles were sterilized and clean and not reused or anything, because I really am sensitive to that type of stuff. And just like, not even just me being sensitive, like, you just don't want to like catch any diseases or anything. So make sure before you go there, check them out, their website, what Yelp, whatever, because of those reasons. And I also want to tell you guys how to take care of your piercing, because the lady also gave us like a paper explaining how to take care of your piercing. Number 1, never touch piercing without washing hands first. Only touch it when cleaning it. That's kind of like common sense, but honestly, I sometimes touch it without having like my hands washed first. Sorry. Number 2, wash piercing with mild liquid hand soap 2 to 3 times daily. Q-tips work well. 3, wear loose, non-restrictive clothing and do not bandage piercing. Yeah. 4, sea salt mixture is 1/4 teaspoon per 8 ounces. Warm water soak 10 minutes, 3 times weekly. And 5, use no, N-O, capital N-O on this paper, okay? No peroxide, rubbing alcohol, or Neosporin. So yeah, you do want to use none of those, because I assume that makes like the healing process take even longer. But my mom told me that when she got her nose pierced, that she always used rubbing alcohol. But yeah, I feel like it really depends on the person, maybe, or where the piercing's at, because her piercing's like right, whatever. Anyway, number 6, normal piercings discharge is a yellow-white color. It's fine to see this. Yeah, so I'm definitely getting that. And she said that since I'm a diabetic, well, type 1 diabetic, or just diabetics in general, they take longer to heal. So it's gonna take me about, what'd she say, 9 weeks, 3.5 months, 2.5 months for it to heal. But I had looked on Google, and Google told me that it's probably gonna take a year or 6 months for it to fully heal. So they advised me not to change my piercing until like 6 months or a year, which I'm gonna listen to Google, because Google know what's up sometimes, even though sometimes it be telling you like if you have like a sore throat then you have cancer or something. But I'm gonna trust Google on this one. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my piercing. I don't know how this camera angle is gonna work. It's gonna work like this. Like, I feel like I'm gonna have to change the camera and go BRB. Okay, so do not mind how my stomach is looking. Nobody's body is perfect. Oh, so anyway, yeah, so it says on the paper, sea salt mixture is 1/4 teaspoon per 8 ounces warm water, soak 10 minutes, blah blah. But what I do is I mix a little bit of sea salt, and I recommend you guys not to use regular salt, because I don't know, it just says not to. Sea salt is better. And oh, this cup says don't ask until I've had my coffee. Yeah, it's just a random cup. Anyway, yeah, so I just take a little bit of water and a little bit of sea salt. I'm not really measuring anything, but I really recommend you guys that you do. But personally, I just don't got the damn time. Like, I just want to clean it. But before we do that, I almost forgot. It says wash piercing with mild liquid hand soap 2 to 3 times daily, and I haven't done that today. So yeah, I just got a little bit of hand soap and some water, and I'm just gonna lift my piercing. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a little bit of discharge because I haven't cleaned all day. I was literally waiting so I could film this video. And I don't know if this may be a little bit disgusting to you, but as you can see, you may get like a little bit of discharge, and that's really normal. So you guys really don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I really clean mine like this, and I'm getting a lot, so I'm just gonna get another Q-tip, get some little bit of liquid hand soap and water, lift it up, clean it like this. And also it says like not to play with your piercing either. That's like the same thing as stretching it basically, but yeah, don't be lifting it up and down a lot at like random times. I feel like you guys only should do that when you're cleaning it. So don't forget your actual belly button area, because that can get dirty too. And now I'm just gonna take that sea salt, clean it a little bit. And it's normal if like it's really like red around your, not really red, but like kind of pinkish red around your piercing. It's just in its healing process. And I also got my piercing done about a month ago, so yeah, this is what it looks like. And I didn't get really any discharge until like a week or 2 later. But that's just me personally. That's how I clean my piercing, and that's all I want to like show you guys in this video. Talked about my piercing, my experience, and how to clean it. I hope this video helped you in some way and maybe get you inspired to like not be scared of the needle. Just do it, go for it. It's just one little pinch, that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you guys like this quality type of vibe, chill. Oh, I always keep grabbing my hair. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.